guys, so I'm gonna jump right into this video today for you. I am doing a highlight sculpting contour video today, so I'm super excited about that. But right now I'm just gonna jump right into it. So right now I'm just concealing any of the spots. I laid the concealer on, either sculpting out my cheeks, making the unders of my eyes really bright, just what I normally would do. So I'm just taking a damp beauty sponge that's really small to get in those smaller spaces, and I'm just blending it out. By the way, I did also change my eyeshadow, so you see kind of like a rose gold now, but I did change it to gold, just a heads up. So I'm just taking another beauty sponge and I'm dabbing that into my face. It's already used, so I'm just using that, what's already on my sponge, just to blend out the concealer. I'm then taking some contour and I'm placing that on my forehead, my cheeks, my jawline, and then my lips and my nose. Then I just like to take my smaller blending brush that's used for concealer, and I like to use that on my nose just to make sure the product is as smooth as possible. I actually recently just got into creams, so I'm really excited. I feel like they do a great job blending everything out. Then I just like to take my small little beauty sponge and do my nose, since it's a smaller area of my face. And sorry it's so bright here, the sun was killing me. But I like to just take a bronzer that's close to the contour color I used, and I just like to sit that on my nose and let it soak up that cream, and so it's always staying in place. Then I'm baking the sides of my nose with my face powder, making sure it's super snatched and super small. I should have used a smaller sponge, but that's okay. Doing the unders of my cheek just so I have a nice carved out face. Highlighting the inner parts of my eyes, my brow bone, and then my favorite part about highlighting is in between my eyes and the tip of my nose. I don't ever do my entire nose because I have a bump and I want it to look as straight as possible, and so that's why I only do in between my eyes and the tip. And then I just brush away all that product and set my face. This Palladio highlighter is so amazing, especially when you have a damp face and you just spray it and put a little on. It does so much for the face. It's so beautiful. Be sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below. I know this was so fast, but I will see you guys in my next video.